Andres, improvement of the Mulak Gonzalez family and clan. So curious lang ako, bakit hindi nyo sunundan?
When we got married, even before we got married, we were talking about family, our kids, with them. And then parang out of the blue, I just asked her, like, how many kids would you want to have? I said, I just want, typical na boy and a girl, parang ako rin ganun sabi ko. Gusto ko yung babae at isang lalaki. Parang ganun lang, fine na pag-usapan na namin. And then, dumating na nga,
Boy and girl.
Boy and girl, di ba? Nung sinabi nila sa akin, we were having twins, nandiyan nagulat pa ako. Kasi pag sa'yo nangyari pala yun, parang weird siya. Parang siyang hindi, parang siyang alam mo pag nabubuntis, lalo na that age siya sa akin, parang isa lang yan isa lang. Hindi mo nisip yung kambal, di ba? Parang freak sa akin, parang may kambal, parang, kaya nung sinabi mo yung twins, parang magkakaroon tayo ng kambal, gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, identical ba yan? Gano'n, and then medyo for like a couple of seconds, medyo na-tense ako, parang may anak tayong dalawang kamukha. Parang gano'n. And then my wife told me, no, it's dalawang saksi. So, fraternal twins siya. So, okay. So, gano'n. And then on her third month or fourth month, she had to check. We had to check. Nakita na yung may burger tsaka turtle. They see that, you know?
I think the parents will only know what that means. It's very technical.
Okay, sorry. Kaya wala naman ako. Hindi naman kabastusan yun. It's just, ilang terms din sa ganun sa, it's like when we see the turtle sa gender, the turtle and then the burger. So ganun. So, yun lang naman.
And if I may add, I think that I really wanted one boy and sana one boy and one girl, and we were blessed with Natasha and Andres, and we just wanted to be able to have a small family para we could spend time. Gusto namin na dun kami ni Anne sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat stage sa buhay nila. So we really wanted a small family so we could be really hands-on sa kanila.
Sino mas disciplinarian sa inyong dalawa? Sino yung mas spoiler? Sino yung mas disciplinarian?
I think si Aga pag nagsalita sa bahay, parang yun na yun eh. Parang sila sumusunod. I think this is a better question for Natasha and Andres. Yeah.
Yun totoo, ha?
Natasha and Andres.
Sino mas disciplinarian? Sino mas spoiler? Your dad or your mom?
Same. I think they're both the same. Parehas pa rin in their own aspect.
Very
Parang
same.
kung sa bahay, same talaga.
Natasha, safe ha?
Yeah, very safe.
Sino?
Siguro, same na lang.
Na lang.
No, you'd be surprised. Akala mo ako, ito ang disciplinarya talaga.
Sa sure.
Yeah, mas stricto yan. Ako masanot ako sa kanila. Kaya lang, pagdating sa pag-decision, I'm very firm lang ako sa kanila. Pag sinabi ko no, or get up, or go, or like that, kailangan you follow. Pero in terms of, kumbaga, panipapaalam sila, ako, like, go. Si Sherry pa yung, why? Where are you going? Di ba? Natatakot ako sa tayo dalawa eh. Tapos pag nagkaalala naman kami. Kasi kung anong decision ko, kailangan may approval din ni Sherry pagdating sa mga bata.